Functional training. Many people would like to practice functional training but don't know its benefits. There are several variations of this type of training, and the differences between them can be confusing. But don't worry, we'll help you understand it. As the name suggests, this is a physical activity based on the natural movements of the human body, movements we use to do our daily tasks. Pushing and squatting are exercises that can be part of a functional training class. Its main characteristics are the overall development of physical capacities, with a focus on strengthening the core, which is the abdominal and lumbar area responsible for stabilizing our posture. Children, older adults, and pregnant women can practice functional training if a professional adapts the activity to each case. Before starting, remember to get a medical evaluation and a physical assessment. But the greatest advantage of this training is increasing muscle strength while also helping improve balance, endurance, agility, and even posture. In addition to reducing fat because of its high energy demand, functional training also contributes to socialization and stress reduction. Now that you know more about functional training, practice. Include some exercises you enjoy in your program to stay motivated and keep moving. For more information, visit datacg.net.